Hey guys, a very warm welcome to all of you and a very good afternoon to all of you. I hope all of you are doing super duper amazing today. I hope all of you are energetic because I am very energetic because what are we going to do? We are going to be completing the chapter one shot like this. We'll complete this today. Yes, are you guys ready for the class today? Hi Diksha, hi Rima, hi Stokes, hi Suyansh, hi Kushbu. Hi Vrinda, hi Vanshika, hi Suryash. Again, hi Arati, hi Anmol. Why is somebody crying? Ignoring no Kushi. Hi Kushi. Hi Pranay, thank you. Hi. A very big hi to all of you, and I hope all of you guys are doing so amazing. Da. All of you guys are going so amazing. And guys, guess what? No? Why are very less people there in the class today? What is this? Why only 84 people? Da? Oh, now it's 117 suddenly. Okay, only 117. What is this? I need more numbers, guys. Go call up all of your friends, wake them up, call them and be like, wake up, Mohan Sir is here. So wake them up, all of you, because we're going to get started with the chapter. And the chapter is going to be very amazing today because we are going to complete it. As I told you, we're going to complete it. And yes, there is something which you guys love also, that is Menti at the end of this session. So we will start right now. Call up all of your friends, put messages in all of your friends group, ask them all to join right now because I am going to start. I'm not going to wait. Can we start? Can we start? New here? Okay, all the new students, welcome. Class has started? Nope. It's going to start now though. It's going to start. Call up your friends. Right? So guys, if you guys are new here, if you guys do not know me, welcome to Vedantu Young Wonders, and welcome to my class. My name is Mohan, Master Teacher of Science from Vedantu, who teaches physics here on Vedantu Young Wonders. So if you want to learn about physics from 6 to 8, I am the right person here. Alright? So all of you guys who are new, hello, all of my old fans. Hey guys, what's up? Yes. Can we start now, guys? Can we start? Cool, and guys, guess what? Okay, today morning I woke up and I'm like, okay, let's read some news, right? And I opened my phone. I was reading some news, and I was shocked. Guess what was the news? I was super shocked. I was like, what? Guess what was the news? Come on. What was the news? If you are new here, do hit the subscribe button. What was the news? What do you guys think? Corona, about Corona only, of course, but then what was the news? So, guess what? Apparently, some person in Maharashtra, after taking 2 shots of vaccine, he has become a magnet, it seems. Somehow he has got some magnetic powers and metals are sticking to his body, it seems. No, like what? Now that if you want to become a superhero, all you have to do is take 2 shots of vaccine, then you can attract metals. Have you seen that movie X-Men where like chick? And now one more guy is also claiming it. I don't think that's true because that cannot happen according to physics. But yeah, people still claim, right? Even if you guys don't bath for 2-3 days and take something and stick to your body, it will stick. Right? But we never know. And that's the news I saw today, headlines. And I'm like, okay. So if you guys haven't checked that news, do check it out. It's very funny. Alright, so now we're gonna get started. Menti is there. Yes, it is there, guys. It is there. I can see 200 people. Not a bad number, not a very good number. Okay, cool. I'm gonna start with that. So guys, yes, a very warm welcome to all of you guys to my class. And if you guys do not know me, if you guys are here for the first ever time, welcome to Vedantu, and hit the subscribe button right now, guys. And this is me, Mohan, Master Teacher of Science from Vedantu, who teaches physics here on Vedantu Young Wonders. Alright, dabao, subscribe button dabao, and let us move forward. Shuru karte. Yes. So guys, yes, a very beautiful quote we are starting, that is, you must be the change you wish to see in the world. And what is that amazing quote means is, guys, we all want some things to change in this world, no? We will be like, why are these people like that? We see somebody throwing trash. Why is he like that? Why is he throwing trash? We see a lot of bad things happening around us, and also we see a lot of changes that we want. So you have to be that change in order to see the world also change with you, right? If you don't change and if you expect the world to change, no, not happening. So make sure, guys, make sure that you guys be the change to make the entire world change. right? So if you guys be at home, that means the entire world is being at home. Let us do our part and let others do their part, and we all together can do a big part. Wow, that came out really good. Right? So with this same positive energy, with this same, all this amazing energy from all of you, let us get started now. Menti is there, beta. Beta, Menti is there. I next class, no, I'll put one more tag here. Above this Vedantu, I'll put Menti is there in my class. I'll be like, Reko Menti is there. I'll do it. Now, okay. I can see a lot of people typing something. When something scholarship. Okay, I'm a teacher. Nice. Check, guys. Amazing. Right? So can we go forward now? Can we get started? Yes. So here is the topics that we have covered so far in this chapter. If you guys haven't checked that classes out, do check those classes out, because we have completed the entire chapter, heat. Now in that we have seen hot and cold objects, temperature measurement. We talked about thermometers, heat transfer, clothes in different climatic conditions. This is what we have seen. And most importantly, guys, in case if you guys haven't checked those classes out, do check it out, but right after this class. Kyunki anyways, I'll be explaining about all of this, but not that detailedly as I was explaining in the previous classes. So make sure all of you guys listen carefully in this class. It's a very small class. We'll complete it just like this, and then you can go and again watch the heat cut chapter videos. All right, fine. So now can we get started? Oh, I can see 242. That's an amazing number to start. Amazing energy. Amazing. So moving on forward, guys, the first thing we learned is what classes started. Yes, hot and cold. We can understand that if an object is hot or cold, by what? By just touching it. We'll be like, if we touch it, we'll be like hot, cold, right? So by touching it, we used to understand if an object is hot or cold. But then we also saw that we cannot completely depend on our sense of touch in order to find if something is hot or cold. Why is that? Because our sense of touch can fool us. It can tell us things which are not hot as hot. It can tell us things which are not cold as cold. Why is that? That is because of the confusion and all of that. And we have seen an example in the previous classes. Do check it out. So for this problem, if you have to properly measure if something is hot or cold, what do? We use a special instrument, an amazing instrument that is called as a thermometer. Right? Now, thermometer is something which has been famous, so right now, because they use it everywhere to check the fever and all of that. So what does a thermometer do is what we're going to check out right after this topic. Now that is, guys, we all know thermometers are used for what? For measuring the temperature. Right? What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Suppose if you want to quantify means give a number to hot or cold. That has to be given in temperatures, right? For example, you'll be like, put the AC in 18 degrees Celsius. Put the AC in 22 degrees Celsius, right? Why do we do that? What are we telling that 18, 22, what is all that? That is nothing but the temperature. We are trying to give a number for it. So the degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called as the temperature. And what do we use to measure the temperature? We use a beautiful thermometer. That is what we use. I hope all of you understood this. Now, even in thermometers, we saw that there are two types. One is clinical thermometer, other one is laboratory thermometer. If you guys have attended my previous class, you would have understood, you can understand it right now. But people who are coming for the new, they'll be like, sir, but why? Why two thermometers? Kyunki the clinical thermometer has a small range. You can see from 35 to 42 is the range. So why do we have a less range? Because that is how much we require. Because clinical thermometers are used to check the body temperature. So if you go to a hospital, what will the nurse do? Or the doctor, they will take the thermometer, they'll do this, they will clean it and keep it in your mouth. Right? So what is that thermometer? That is a clinical thermometer. And they'll be like, oh, you have fever. You don't have fever. They can tell the body temperature. If it is above, then they'll be like, okay, you have fever. Above 37. If it is below that, they'll be like, it's fine. You're not feeling feverish and all of that. Right. Now, what about laboratory thermometer? Now, this is specifically designed for measuring the temperature of chemicals and all of that to be used properly in the laboratory. For example, if you want to check the temperature of boiling water, can you use the clinical thermometer? No. Why? Because if you use clinical thermometer while checking the temperature of boiling water, you cannot do it because range, there is no range. Range is only till 35 to 42. That is the maximum range. Above that, it cannot go, because what is the boiling temperature of water? Tell me, what is the boiling temperature of water? You guys know it. What is the boiling temperature? 100 degrees Celsius. Now, do we have 100 in clinical thermometer? No. We don't have 100 in clinical thermometer. No, we only have it in laboratory thermometer. So in that cases, we use laboratory thermometer for heating. For example, some chemicals are very hot. You want to check that out. Even there you can use the clinical thermometer, which comes from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. That is the range. All right. Now, there is one thing which is there in the clinical thermometer and what is not there in the laboratory thermometer. What is that? Can you guys tell me what that is? What is that one thing which is there in clinical thermometer but not there in the laboratory thermometer? You guys know it. Come on. Remember what I told in the last class? There is something called as exactly. What is it? Kink. Now that is what is given here as constriction, or it's also called as kink. Now what does the kink do is, if you guys look at a hospital where you go check your temperature, they will take it, they will see the temperature, they will show the doctor also, the mercury will stay there only. Suppose let's say your body temperature is 39, okay? Suppose if it is 39, until they show to the doctor, until they show to your parents, until they show to your uncles, until they show to your aunt, the mercury will be there only. It will not come down. It will be there only. But then what do the doctors do? They will take the thermometer and they'll be like, chuck. Why do they do it? They are trying to bring back the mercury, which is at 39, to normal. Right? Why is that? Because there is something called as a kink that stops the mercury from falling back automatically. That is the constriction here. But this kink is not there in the laboratory thermometer. For example, if you take boiling water, if you keep the laboratory thermometer inside the boiling water, you have to take the readings like that only. You cannot take the thermometer out, because if you take it out, the mercury will again fall down to 0 or below that. Right? So it's very, very important. If you're taking measurements in the laboratory thermometer, you have to take the reading while the thermometer is inside the solution, inside the liquid. If you take it out, obviously the mercury will fall back, because why? In the laboratory thermometer, there is no kink. Kink is not there. Right? So I hope you guys understood this. Amazing. Now let's move forward. Next one. Types of thermometer. Now what are the different types of thermometers that we have? We have minimum and maximum thermometers, and then we have one more, that is a digital thermometer. Now digital thermometer is something where you see it everywhere. Wherever you go nowadays, they're like hands up. Temperature, cool, you can go. Wherever, guys. Like you go to, first of all, don't go anywhere. But if you go anywhere, wherever you go, malls, shops, hotels, restaurants, right? Everywhere they check your temperature, right? And in some places, they chumma check. They'll be like, go. I'm like, what? Are you even checking? No, he just want to show off. He's like, I have a gun with me, bro. I always wanted to have a gun, bro. Now I have a temperature gun. I just want to show off. Go. Check the temperature, right? But that is what they use nowadays to check the body temperature, right? Isn't it, guys? Yes. So we have minimum, maximum thermometers. That is to measure the temperatures of the day. Like when is the maximum temperature recorded in the day and when is the minimum temperature recorded in the day, for that, for weather conditions. Digital is, we know it. It gives in terms of number. It works on the battery. That we know. Right, Menti code. First we'll show Menti and then I'll show Menti code. That is after this only. Okay. Amazing. Next one. So right now we'll talk about something very, very important, guys. Now this is one topic that you always get confused in this chapter, isn't it? Isn't it? That is the modes of heat transfer, which is confusing for you guys most of the times. So now what I want you guys to do is focus. Bring all of your focus right to this point, because we're gonna solve it right now. Yes, so pause your game. Oh, I mean, nowadays you cannot pause the games, right? If you're playing PUBG or Free Fire, you cannot pause it. So go sleep in some grass and come to this class, because we are about to learn about the modes of heat transfer right now. Are you guys ready? How are you? I'm very good, Yuvraj. I'm very good. Again, yes, I haven't started, beta. I'll start. All right. So can we check it out? Can we check it out? Yes, can we check it out? I don't think so, Amit. I don't think so. It's not. I think it's safe. I think it's safe. Who's Menti? When Menti? After this. After this Menti. Okay. I was waiting. Where is we have one person already who's like, sir. He starts scolding me now. Oh my god. I like those. Oh, I also like those. Don't worry. Yes. So in your home we have digital thermometer. Amazing. Fine, guys. So moving on forward. Right now we're going to talk about the transfer of heat. What is this transfer of heat? One day, let's say, you are very, very hungry. You're going to your kitchen. Your mom, she has just cooked everything and she is talking on the phone to somebody. You go inside the kitchen. You are so hungry, no, you couldn't control. You went and touched the pan, which was where the food was there. Once you touched that pan, you're like, what happened? You got burned. Why did that happen, guys? Why did your hand get burnt? Because the heat from that pan transferred to your hand. That is why you got burned, right? Exactly. So what is this heat transfer? The flow of heat that always takes place from the hot object to the cold object. Definitely. For example, let us say you're taking 2 ice cubes. 1 ice cube you're keeping here on the floor. 2nd ice cube you're holding it inside your hand like this. Which one will melt first? Which one will melt first? The one inside your hand. Why? Because your body's heat is getting transferred to the ice and the ice will start melting. So in this case, we are the hot and the ice is the cold one. But in the pan case, when we got burnt, the pan was hot and we were cool. Right? Isn't it, guys? I hope you guys got it. So there was a heat transfer that happened. Now, when we talk about heat transfer, there are 3 ways through which heat can transfer. One is conduction. Second is convection. Third is radiation. Now, these 3 things are very important. I want all of you to listen properly when we do these 3 things, right? So one is conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is very simple. Okay, the transfer of heat that happens in solids. Now, what happens is in solids, let us say you're taking an iron rod. You're heating the iron rod on one end like this in the fire. So what will happen to your hand? After a few minutes, you will then start realizing it's hot. In the starting point, nothing will happen. But after a few minutes, then you'll feel hot. Why is that? Because in the conduction, the transfer of heat happens from the hot end of the object to the cold end. I repeat, the transfer of heat in conduction happens from the hot end of the object to the cold end of the object. For example, if you're holding a metal pipe in the fire, from the fire side, the heat gets transferred until it reaches your hand and then you feel the heatness. Okay, so in the solids, the heat transfers happens through conduction. The same thing is happening in the picture here. If you guys can see, see, slowly the heat is coming from here. It's coming until it'll keep going. It'll keep going until here also. Until here it'll keep going. So this way of heat transfer, which is happening here in the handle, which is a solid, is called as conduction. Right? Now we'll learn about convection and radiation. Very simple. We'll learn about convection now. Suppose, let's say, power went, and we are lighting a candle. Okay, let's say I have a candle. Let's imagine that my bottle is the candle. Can you see it? Yes. Let's imagine the bottle is the candle. The candle is burning here at the top. I am taking one hand and keeping it to the side. I am taking one more hand and keeping it on top of the bottle. Now guys, tell me which hand gets hot first? Which hand burns first? My right hand or my left hand? Which burns first? Right or left? The hand that is on top of the fire burns. I'll be like, oh, now why did that happen? Because the flame or the fire which is burning, the heat from the fire transferred to my hand through what? Through air. Right? Through air, the heat got transferred easily. Now guys, what is convection? Convection is the transfer of heat that happens because of the movement of liquids or gases. So liquids and gases together, they're called as fluids. Isn't it? So convection is nothing but the mode of heat transfer that happens because of the movement of liquids or gases. Altogether, they're called as fluids. Right? The same thing happens while you're boiling hot water also. You can see the hot molecules in the water starts moving up and the cool ones come down and they start getting heated up and again they will go up. Right? So you can see it's because of the movement of liquids that's happening here. Right? That is what is happening here. Now we'll come to the third one, which is very, very interesting and important. That is radiation. So what is happening in radiation? So radiation is the method of heat transfer which doesn't require any medium. We saw in conduction that happens in solids. We saw about convection that happens in fluids, that is gases and liquids. We are seeing about radiation which doesn't need any medium. Like, I don't need. I am unique. Because how? The heat from all the way from the sun, it comes to the earth through traveling through space. So how is that energy traveling from the sun to the earth? Through radiation. Right guys? Definitely. So what happens then when the radiation comes and then due to convection, the air in the atmosphere becomes hot and we feel hot. Right? So that is what is the three modes of transfer. One is radiation, convection and conduction. Easy as a cake. Alright? Piece of cake. So we learned about conduction then we learned about convection, then we learned about radiation. Conduction is the heat transfer that happens from the hot end of the object to the cold end. Convection happens because of the movement of fluids. Radiation happens without the help of any medium at all. Alright. Now this is what we had. Now can we move forward guys? I hope you guys now understood about hot objects, cold objects, thermometers, clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer and transfer of heat, that is conduction, convection, radiation. Pakka? Do we have a good deal now? Do we have a good deal? Alright, understood? Amazing. That is what I want. We have a Menti. Don't worry, we have a Menti. Now that you guys understood it, now that you guys had a very good idea about it, I know that most of you guys here are already part of Vedantu. Now, few things, just spare for 2 minutes. I'm going to tell something which is required for all the new students. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Others. Fine guys. So guys, I know that you guys all understood right now, but what if I tell you, you can have such amazing classes for all the subjects, for maths, science, English, social, all of this. You can have amazing classes for all of this every day, and you can have interactive quizzes, a lot of fun. But where? At Vedantu. So what do you do guys? Along with that, what else do you get is you will compete with students throughout the world. That is something very, very amazing because you get to know where you are. And after that, there is something called as Vedantu Improvement Promise this time. That is, which is so cool. Please listen carefully for all the new people. Guys, in Vedantu Improvement Promise, suppose let's say, once you take up Vedantu and if you guys don't have any improvement in your studies, if you feel like you have not improved at all, so what happens there? The entire course fee will be given right back to you guys. The entire course fee will be given right back to you without any questions asked. Now that is Vedantu Improvement Promise. Now along with this, you will be having unlimited live quizzes with fun and high level amazing questions. Guys, guess what? I know you guys are so excited about Menti, but what if I tell you can have Menti every day in every class? That is what happens in Vedantu, guys. Apart from that, we also have interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboards. That is, suppose in case if you guys miss out any of the classes, you can definitely watch the replay, and also in the replay you can play quizzes and see the leaderboard, which is amazing. Now, apart from that, download premium downloadable content. Let us not waste time in writing your own notes, right? You have to, but then not during the classes. So all the class notes will be given right back to you after the class, which are handwritten notes of the master teachers themselves. All right, guys. Yes. So then in class doubt solving with quality tests and assignments, all of your doubts will be solved right then and there in the class itself. Right? Now this might look like, sir, I don't think so that's possible. How can all the doubts get solved? I will show you the proof. Yes. So I'm going to show you how amazing the doubt solving is at Vedantu. All right. So have a quick look, all of you. Let me quickly show you how it happens at Vedantu. Let me go to my past classes and let us take one chapter. Let's say we'll take fiber to fabric, which I had on 12th. You can replay a session like this, and if not, come down, check the doubts. 276 doubts were asked in the class, and how many doubts were solved? 276 doubts. The entire doubts, 100% doubts were solved right then and there in the class itself, because you'll be having a master teacher, you'll be having a personal class teacher as well, which is again so cool. I can show it to you for all the classes, but again, you know, it's the same everywhere. 100% doubts are definitely solved. Now, how do you get enrolled to Vedantu right now? What can you do to get enrolled to Vedantu? That I will show you. Right? Very easy. So if you guys go to my video right now, all right, only 249 likes. What is this? Increase the likes. So if you go below my video, you have Vedantu Pro subscription. Click on this link. If you click on that link, Vedantu Pro subscription, if you guys are not from grade 7, you can edit it and change it to grade 8 or 6th, and also you can go down and see if you guys are from CBSE, it's CBSE. We have ICSE also for Maharashtra board. Select and get started. Go down. We have 3 plans at Vedantu. One is Pro Lite, Pro Classic, and Pro Premium. In Pro Lite, you'll be having live interactive online classes, and in which is there for Classic, which is there for Premium as well. Then for test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during the class, we just saw 100% doubts were solved. Right? Then what is there in Classic but not there in Lite? In Classic, we have doubt solving on mobile app, and Premium we have that too. So what is extra there? That is, you will be having a personal mentor in Premium, wherein all of your academic, non-academic doubts will be solved just like this. He is an all-time genie who will be always with you to solve all of your issues. And also the batch size. Here at Premium it's 15, and Classic it's 50, and in Lite it is 50. Now for all of you guys who are thinking, sir, I am really new to Vedantu, you know, I don't know how things work. I want to see how it works. First of all, you can definitely again try it out for 1 month. So click on try for 1 month, and then you can get enrolled for 1 month first, see how everything works, and then you can take up the entire course, wherein don't forget about the Vedantu Improvement Promise. Now to get an additional discount, what you guys can do is enter my coupon code, which is MKPRO. So enter my coupon code MKPRO and apply to get the amazing additional discount. With that, you can start having amazing fun classes with a lot of amazing teachers here at Vedantu, guys, right? For all the subjects, maths, English, social, science, with amazing teachers. You have all the teachers here, see, which is so cool, isn't it? Plus classes every day. Look at this. You'll be getting the schedule also, plus unlimited micro courses. So what is happening here, guys? You are actually paying very, very less, but you are getting a lot more classes. That is what is happening. So it's a win-win situation, because you're getting unlimited classes, right? Unlimited micro courses and free crash courses for boards and competitive exams, but you're paying very, very less for all of this, isn't it? So more classes, lesser price, isn't it? So if you guys want to take up, the link is right below my video in the description. Click on the link, use my coupon code MKPRO to get it in the Vedantu Pro subscription. All right, guys. So now can we go to the next? We saw this, definitely. So Vedantu Improvement Promise, don't forget about it, guys, because if there is no improvement, entire course fee will be given back, but you have to have at least a mandatory of minimum 75% of attendance, and also minimum 75% of completion of assigned tests. That is what you have to have. Now, moving forward, I think it's time to go to the Menti. But before we go to the Menti, the batches are starting very soon, guys. So do sign up right today to have classes, to have amazing classes. It's going to be super cool. So sign up both for premium and the normal batches. It's starting very soon. Do sign up right today. All right. And don't forget the coupon code MKPRO is the code. Now, the last topic in this chapter was the clothes that we wear in different climatic conditions. This is something very important. Why? Because we ourselves have experienced this. We sometimes wear dark colored objects and we go out to the sun. What will happen? We'll start feeling very hot. We'll be like, oh my god, it's burning my skin. Why? Because dark colored objects absorb more heat and they reflect less heat. They absorb more heat. That is the reason why we get very hot when we wear this dark colored clothes when we are going out. When it is very sunny. Right? Yes. Now what happens if you wear light colored clothes when it is sunny? You will not feel that hot because light colored clothes reflect more heat, whereas dark colored clothes absorb more heat. So light colored clothes in summer, dark colored clothes in winter. Right? That is so simple and we all have experienced this. If you guys want to experience, try it today. Wear a black t-shirt and go stand in the sun. Feel the heat. Come back inside. Wear a white t-shirt and go back and stand in the sun. Feel the difference. You can yourself feel that difference. Alright guys. Yes, which is so cool. Now, let us go for the next thing that I think it's the Menti right now. And yes, we'll go for the Menti. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the Menti? Give me a quick yes. Are you guys ready for the Menti? Yes, heat. The dark colored clothes absorb more heat. Yes. Ready? Ready for the Menti? Amazing. Then we'll go for the Menti, but this is not the code. No, that's not the code. I will show you the code right now. That was not the code. The code for Menti for all of you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the code, guys. The code for Menti is 3372088. It's 3372088 is the code. Okay, that's a small code, no? Just check if it's working. 3372088 is the code, guys. Come on. Joined? Join in quickly, all of you guys. I want all of you to join this amazing heat ka quiz. And again, trust me, it's a very easy day to get your names on the leaderboard. You can easily get your names today, guys. Very easy. Joined already? I want all of you to join in the Menti right now. And if you guys want me to start the Menti, I want to see more likes coming in. Come on, guys. Let's break the record. Hit the like button. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel right now. Subscribe. And if you guys want to take up the Vedantu Pro subscription, yes, click on the link in the description and enter the coupon code. Don't forget to use it. It's MKPRO. So guys, if you're new to Vedantu Young Wonders, do subscribe it. If you're new to Menti, go to www.menti.com and enter this code and start the quiz. Ready? Come on, only 170 people. If you're new to Menti, take somebody's, your father's or mother's phone and go to www.menti.com and enter the code 3372088. I want to see more people joining in. Come on. I am not starting with 190 people. What is this? I want more people. More people. Come on. Subscribe and liked. Amazing. Good job, guys. Good job. In laptop also you can try. Yes. It's www.menti.com and use the code 3372088. It's Menti. Okay. I think now it's better to see. Like it. Yes. It's menti.com. Ready, guys? Yes. Because Riya, the amount of light is reflected more in the light colored clothes. Right? So when there is a lot of light being absorbed by dark colored clothes, it also becomes very hot. No? That's why. Like and subscribe. Amazing. I want all of you guys to like and subscribe the video right now and share it with your friends also, guys. Come on. People who have missed it today, share it with them. If you are here, who's teaching on the app? I come here, I go there, I'm everywhere. I'm God. No, guys, I have my separate timings there, separate timings here, okay? Don't worry, I'll be there. 1K likes Cora. No, only 338. 1K is a dream for me. One day, pakka. 1K. All right. So can we now get started, guys? I can see 239 people. Can we start the Menti? Are you guys ready? Ready for the Menti? Can we start it? Share this live to everyone. Exactly, guys. Exactly. Share this live to everyone, and also like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon, comment, do everything. Ready? Can we start the quiz right now? 1 lakh views. Yes, da. Make it 1 lakh views. I'll get you dosa for everybody. All right, ready, guys? Nobel Prize. No, that is too much. Amazing. So I'm going to start the Menti in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the next question for all of you? In thermometer, the element which is used to show temperature is what? Copper, zinc, mercury, platinum. What is there in the thermometer which shows the temperature? This is very simple. Everybody knows the answer for this question. So come on, guys, all of you. We have to get this right. Super easy question this is. Come on. Super easy question that is. Very, very simple. All right. And the previous question was right, guys. All of you guys were telling wrong. The previous question was right. It is degrees Celsius only. All right. So temperature in degrees Celsius was the unit of that. Now this question, it's definitely mercury. Right. It's option C, that is mercury. Very, very easy. And why do we use mercury in the thermometer? Because it can expand properly. Just give a little bit of heat and it will start expanding. So when it expands, it will go in that tube and then it will show us the temperature. Okay. Next one. The leaderboard for this. Who is on the top? Ganesh Mama is on the top today. Who is Ganesh Mama? Who is Ganesh Mama? What is this? Who is it? Oh, we have Anubhuti the best. Elsa, your favorite. So I told you. Then we have Ganesh, Yogita, Angad, Singh Rathore, Rishit Singh, Vranda, and Maria Praveen Purna. Amazing. Good job, all of you guys. Good job. Now comes the next question for all of you. Come on, guys. You guys can definitely do it. Definitely do it. Come on. Question number 3 of 8 in 3, 2, 1 now, guys. You got this wrong. It's okay, guys. Happens. Do for the next question. Which one of the following is a reliable measure? What is a reliable measure? The hotness, the coldness, the temperature, none of this. On what can you rely to measure the temperature? To see if something is hot or cold. A reliable measure. What is it? Is it hotness, coldness, temperature, or none of this? What is it, guys? What is it? What is the right answer? 10 more seconds. Come on, all of you. I hope you guys are also answering in the Menti. I can see a lot of answers in the comment section as well. All right. Yes, it is definitely the temperature. And what does this mean? Suppose if the temperature is higher, then that means the object is hot. And suppose if the temperature is less, then the object is cold. Right? Exactly. Now that is the right answer for all of you. Is the leaderboard changed or the same? Anubhuti at the top again. Correcto. Nice. Cheat with this. What happened? Why cheating? Now no cheating is happening. Oh, we have Rishit, Anubhuti, Maria Praveen, Sharanya, Ditya was the fastest. Very good, Ditya. Then we have Vranda, Sahiba, Nitin Chowdhury, Ichit, and we have Dheeraj. Amazing. Good job, all of you guys. Now comes the next question to all of you. Let's do it. Yes, here it is. Question number 4 of 8. What cheating is happening? The first question, it's okay. It happened. We still have all the other questions. Let's do that. No. Let's do that. Don't feel. Yes. Next one. Please change your place in the screen. That's a small place. Next question, guys. Question number 4 of 8. Name the device which is used to measure the hotness or coldness of an object. What is that device that we use to measure the hotness or coldness of an object? You guys know this. Super easy, guys. Super easy. You guys definitely know this. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Alright, what is the right answer? Definitely, the device that we use to measure the hotness or coldness is definitely called as the temperature thermometer, right? And we saw different types of thermometer. Everything does the same job. Its job is to measure the temperature, right? Good job, good job. Who is on the top? We have Rishit. Alright. No, we have Anubhuti, then we have Rishit, Vranda, Maria, Sahiba, Ichit, Nitin, Dheeraj, Akanksha Kumari, and Kwesenki. Is it okay? Yusenki, or was it? So very good job, guys. Very good job. All right. Now comes the next question. I hope you guys are ready. Come on, guys. Have the same level of energy. We can do it. Now comes the next question. Fifth question in 3, 2, 1, now. What is the normal temperature of the healthy person? You guys know this. What is the normal temperature of the healthy person? 37 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 Kelvin, or none of this? What is the normal temperature of the healthy person? What is it? You guys know it. Come on, you guys know it. 10 more seconds, guys. Quickly. What is it? What is it? Actually, sir, your face is visible properly in the... I know. It is 37 degrees Celsius, guys. Very good. That is the right answer, right? Exactly. So if you have more than 37 degrees Celsius, then that means that you are feverish, right? So 37 is the normal. Very good. Very good job. And it's degrees Celsius. Don't forget that. Who is on the top? We have, again, Anubhuti. No, we have Vranda, then we have Maria, Anubhuti, Rishit, Rudra, Nitin, Akanksha Kumari, Charita, Dheeraj, and this name is very difficult for me. Yusinka, or what is it? Sinka. I think it's O is silent, no? Yusinka. Okay, very good job, guys. All of you are amazing. And here comes the next question for all of you. Come on. 6 of 8. Let's start the countdown in 3, 2, 1 now, guys. Conduction is the method of transfer of heat in dash. Where does conduction happen? Liquids, solids, gases, vacuum. Okay, it is Asnika. Is it Asnika? 10 more seconds, guys. Come on. Very easy. This one is very easy. This one is very easy. Right? Liquids, solids, gases, or vacuum. Conduction. We saw it. What is the answer, guys? Exactly, solids. No. What happens in liquids and gases? Convection happens. Vacuum pe radiation happens. So in the solids, it is conduction. Very good job, guys. You guys are doing very, very good. Very, very good. Let's see who got the right answer here. Amazing. Same leaderboard is there. Yes, we have Maria. Then we have Rishit, Anubhuti, Nitin Chaudhary, Akanksha Kumari, Charita, Sinka, Rohit, big fan. Thank you, Rohit. Then we have Srijan, Harshit Kumar. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Good job. Definitely, Rohan, you can join. The code is 3372088, but it's too late. But still, we have how many questions now? 2 questions, no? 2 questions. Come on. In 3, 2, 1, the 7th question for all of you. What is the question? Heat from the sun reaches to us by what? Through radiation, through conduction, through convection, all of this. How does the heat from the sun reach to us by? This is a little tricky. This is a little tricky. Let me see who gets the right answer here. Let me see who gets the right answer. 5 more seconds. Come on. What is the right answer? Ganesh went no. Yeah. What is the right answer? Exactly. So what is that, guys? Radiation. The heat all the way from sun travels to us through what? It is through radiation. I was trying to confuse you. Good job. What is the leaderboard now? Same. Oh, I can see the same names here, guys. Same names. We have Maria Praveen again, Anubhuti, Rishit Singh, Nitin Chaudhary, Charita, Akanksha Kumari, Sinka, Srijan, Rohit, and Rashmika, your celebrity crush. Yes. Yes. Amazing. Now comes the next question, guys. Last question for all of you. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for one last question? And let us see who won it today. Who wins my class today? Are you guys ready? So guys, if you are new here, do hit the subscribe button, do hit the bell icon, and hit the like button right now on the video. And if you guys want to subscribe, if you guys want to take up Vedantu Pro subscription, the link is right below my video. Click on the link, right? And enter my coupon code, that is MKPro, and get signed up for the classes, all of you. All right? Yes. And one last quiz in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Yep. Which materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily is called conductors, insulators, substances, materials. So what are those materials which do not allow heat to pass through them? They are like, no, you cannot pass. Who are they? Heat. Somebody's telling opaque. That is light. We're talking about heat. Oh, mixing all the chapters. Come on, guys. Come on. Last quiz, last question. What is the right answer for this? It is definitely insulators. So insulators are those materials which do not allow any heat to pass through them easily. Isn't it? And the materials which allow heat to pass through them, they are called as conductors. Right? So very, very good job, guys. So I think, who is it? I think it's going to be Maria. Oh, so close. I think it's Anubhuti gets the top, the class for today. Very good, Anubhuti. Amazingly done. Good job. So all the other guys who got the questions right, you guys had an amazing. You guys did so amazingly. So good job, each one of you. Right? So I hope all of you enjoyed the Menti, except for that one question. Right? It's okay, guys. Happens sometimes. Chill out. Right? Let us go back to the slides. So guys, yes, if you guys are new here to Vedantu, just click on subscribe and also share this video, like and comment. So we have successfully completed the chapter heat, right? So very good job, all of you guys. Very good job. So we'll definitely meet up in the other class, right? So every Monday, sign up. So for 7th standard, it is Monday, 12 p.m. my class. And then on Wednesday, I have it at 11. On Friday, I have it at 1. And Sunday, I have it at 1 p.m. So do come for all the classes. We'll have a lot of fun. All right. So yes, guys, if you want to take up Vedantu Pro subscription, the link is right below my video. I'll meet you guys in the next class. Until then, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you take care, stay safe, and stay as lovely as always you guys are. Ta-ta!